me what did you eat? Okay, can you tell me what did you eat?
I'm eat
I
fish.
eat.
I eat fish.
Mm-hmm.
Vegetable
Mm-hmm.
rice.
Uh-huh. So what
Uh,
kind of vegetable?
is potato and
Oh,
carrot.
potato and carrots. All right. So now are you already full? Full? You're
Yes,
full?
I'm
Okay,
ready.
that's great. Okay, so now are you ready to start with our class they can?
Yes, I'm ready.
All right, that's great. So teacher will be sharing the screen, okay? And just give me a few moments. All right, so how about that? Can you see our screen?
Yes, I see.
Okay, so later on, let's do a math. But for now, let's have the lesson 5, lesson on space. So we have here language and use, after, before, first, second, and then. Okay, so now teacher will be playing an audio. So I want you to listen to it very carefully, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Track 1.9, Unit 1, Lesson 5, Activity 1.
What lessons have we got today? Well, first we've got English. Great! I'm good at English. Second, we've got PE. Oh, I'm not good at PE. Then it's break time. After break time, we've got science. I like science. Are you good at science? Yes, I am. And we've got art before lunch. Fantastic!
Track 1.9, Unit 1, Lesson 5, Activity
All right,
1.
so now you will be this yellow one and I will be the green one, okay? So we are going to read you this one, okay? Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, so, oh, who was the yellow one? It was me or you? I forgot.
I
Okay, so,
am yellow.
okay, you are the yellow. Okay, so now, okay, read this one.
What lesson have we got today?
Well, first we've got an English.
Great. I'm good at English.
Second, we've got PE.
Oh, I'm not good at PE.
Then it's break time. After break time, we've got science.
I like science. Are you good at science?
Yes, I am. And we've got art before lunch.
Fantastic.
Okay, so now they can. Aside from the subject math, what else what subject do you like aside from subject math?
Is science.
Oh, you like science. Can you tell me about science?
Uh, is
Anything about
about
science?
anything like
Like, like what? What's
that
that?
I don't know.
Mushroom?
Yes.
All right. So what about the mushroom?
The mushroom, a house to eat, and what is don't eat.
Ah, yeah. So what we can
Uh,
eat and what we cannot eat. So now mushroom, scientific explanation. So in science, a mushroom is a fruiting body of a fungus. It's not a plant. Mushroom belongs to the kingdom fungi. So what are mushrooms? They can. So can you tell
Uh,
me what are mushrooms?
this is used for science to use to uh the let me like a worm is eating leaf.
Mm. Okay,
I
so
don't know that.
mushrooms are fungi. Do you know what is a fungi?
No.
Okay, wait, let me search it. Fungi is, wait, just give me a few seconds, baby. Fungi in Vietnam. So the word fungi in Vietnamese is nom. I don't know. Nom, nom, like this one. Just like this. Just like the mushrooms itself. Okay, so where are we? Oh, all right. So yes. So aside from science, what else do you like? What subject do you like?
I like PE
Why do you like PE?
because it's very fun.
Because it's very fun. Okay, so what subject you hate?
I hate um history
Hmm. Why do you hate history?
because it's very hard. I don't know about that.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much. Okay, so now let's proceed in the exercise 2. Complete the text about lesson on Monday, okay? So now what you're going to do is you need to fill in the blanks. Okay, so are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so you can start now.
Uh,
Okay, you can check it here if you want. Wait, let me zoom it out a little bit. Oh, is that good? Can you just write in there? Or, how about that?
okay. That's okay.
Okay, that's
Thank
great.
you.
Okay, you're welcome. Ta-ta-ta-ta. E-E. Mhm. Mhm. All right, almost done. Mm-hmm. Okay, last B. Okay. So,
Okay.
okay, so now what you're going to do is you need to no, to read everything. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Okay, so please read start from on Mondays up to here. Okay, and go. Why did you change it? Oh yeah, we're basing on this one. Okay, I was thinking about your favorite subject, which is math. Okay, so now please read this one. On Mondays,
On Mondays, we have got PE lesson before break time,
uh-huh,
and we have got science lesson after break time.
mm-hmm.
First, we have got English, and I'm good at
So
that.
Rosa.
Second, we have got PE, and I'm not good at that.
Mm-hmm.
After lunch, we've got art. My favorite subject is science. What subject you good at?
All right. So now, thank you so much, they can for that. So you've just answered everything correctly, I guess. So aside from history, what subject you hate? Aside from history. Okay, aside from history, what subject do you hate?
Uh, I hate.
Okay, what was
Um,
that?
I'm think.
Hmm?
Um,
Okay, what subject?
is geography.
Geography. Is that correct? Geography.
Yes,
Okay, so why do you hate geography?
is we like. Sorry.
I like history. So you do not like anything related to history. So, okay, so they can, let's proceed with the exercise number 3, okay? So now make a new dialogue. So be a star. Okay, so now can you please read this one?
Are you good at sport? No, I'm not. I'm good at art. Oh, I'm good at art too.
Okay, so how about you, Decan? Are you good at sports or to art?
I'm good
Where
at
are you
sport
good?
and art.
Oh, so what sports do you play?
I play many things like badminton,
Oh, what else? Okay, what else?
Football.
Football. Okay, what else?
Uh, Basketball.
Basketball. Okay, so now they can. I know that you are good at art because you keep doodling here during our class. But can you draw me something like you're going to draw me something? I don't know how to describe it. Like not a doodle, not a. How do you describe this one? I forgot. Like no, not an emoji. Like mm, you are going. You are going to draw me. Wait, wait. I'll be asking for a translation. Like you are going to draw me something that is not emoji, it's not doodle. Like you're going to draw me and not say it. Ah, I forgot the word. Like just draw me something. Like not a doodle, not the emoji. Like you're going to draw me. Wait, let me show you something. Like simple basic drawing like this. No, not like this. Can you draw something like this? Uh, can you sketch a person or can you just simple? Any simple. Or anime. Do you know how to draw anime or something? Can you do that for me? Like this one.
My friend can write that, but I can't.
Oh, you can. Okay, what can you draw? Can you draw me something? Anything aside from emoji.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, it's that. Oh, there you are. Oh, is that a Goko?
Yes.
Oh, are you fan of Dragon Ball?
Yes. I have a lot
Oh,
of uh comic.
I see. Do you know Vegeta?
Yes.
Vegeta, Gohan.
I have 42 comics book that,
Oh, you have 42 comics book. Comics book.
and
Comic books.
uh
Comics.
yeah.
Up nila. Oh, you have 42. Did
Yes.
you read everything already? Like you finished everything?
Yes.
Wow.
And I read the Super Dragon Ball.
Oh, I see. So do you have any book aside from Dragon Ball? Do you have do you have any other book aside from Dragon Ball?
Yes.
Okay, what kind of book is that?
I don't remember.
Oh, you don't remember. Okay, okay, okay. All right. Why did you erase it? Why did you erase it? It's okay. Oh, okay. So now, thank you so much, Dekan, for showing me your talent. So now, listen to the chat. Circle the word you hear, okay? All right.
Track 1.10. Unit 1. Lesson 6. Activities 1 and 2.
In our English class each day, this is what we learn to say. May I go out?
May I come in?
Can you repeat that, please? In our English class each day, this is what we learn to say.
Is this correct?
Is this okay? How do you say that in English? In our English class each day, this is what we learn to say.
Track 1.10.
Okay. So
Unit
now,
1.
let's try to
Lesson
listen it again
6.
one more time.
Activities 1 and 2.
In our English class each day, this is what we learn to say. May I go out?
How about this?
May I come in?
Can you repeat that,
Go.
please?
This
In our
and go.
English class each day, this is what we learn to say.
Is this correct?
Is this okay? How do you say that in English? In our English class each day, this is what we learn to say.
Okay, so we got, wait. Okay, so we have left the music, help, and homework. Oh, what's that? What's that face? Why question mark? You erased it. So, okay, we got the this. Repeat, go in, help, okay? Oh, no, not help. Stay in English. All right. I like that one. Okay, so now let's proceed with the exercise number 2. Oh, where is it? Okay, so I guess we're not going to have the exercise number 2 here because, yeah, that's all your classes. So, yes. And I've sent that one in the group chat so your mom can see it. Okay, so we are going to have this one next time, okay? Exercise 2. So for tonight, we have finished the lesson 5, 1, 2, 3, lesson 6, exercise 1. So next time we will be continuing with exercise 2 with lesson 6. Okay, so for tonight, they can. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy, you learn, and you have fun during our class. So bye bye, they can.
Goodbye, teacher.
Good night.